Which strategies could you use to estimate how many people lived in 12 pit houses of similar size? So there's going to be a lot of people because there's 12 different houses. The first choice here is estimate the number of people who lived in one pit house and divide by 12. So when you think of one house, perhaps there's 4 people, and you divide by 12, the number is so small this example does not even make sense. It's ridiculous. As for B, our second choice, estimate the number of people who lived in one pit house and multiply by 12. For example, if there was 4 people in one house and you multiply by 12 homes, we're going to get the total number of people, which seems to be a reasonable strategy. How about choice C? Estimate the total area of 12 pit houses and divide by the area required for one person. Let me show you why this one also makes sense. Suppose we have one pit house. And we'll just say, for example, that it has an area of 16 meters squared. So now I drew 12 pit houses. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3. 4 times 3 is 12 homes. So it has a total of 12 times 16 meters squared, which is 192 meters squared in total. Now in this community, we know that lots of people live here, but how can we possibly guess? We refer back to the chart where it says that the area required by one adult is 4 meters squared. So when we take this number, 192, and you divide it by the area required for one person, we can estimate the number of adults who live here. And so we could say there may be around 48 people living in this community. So choice C is also valid. So there's a connection between area and the number of people given in this diagram. As for the last choice, this doesn't make sense because it's the same as choice C, but instead of dividing, we're multiplying, which doesn't make sense.